Exposing the science in yawning. Did you know just hearing about yawns can make you yawn? Even reading this might do it. Scientists say yawning is contagious because our brains are wired for empathy. When you see someone yawn, your mirror neurons fire up, copying what you see. So next time you yawn in public, remember you might just start a chain reaction. Did you yawn yet? Let us know.